Experiencing drops, slow speeds, or high latency with your T-Mobile home internet? Let's troubleshoot these common issues. First, understand the basics. T-Mobile home internet uses 5G cellular networks to deliver wireless broadband through cellular towers. Common problems include connection drops from signal interference or network congestion, slow speeds from bandwidth throttling or poor signal strength, and high latency from network delays. Now for troubleshooting steps. Start by checking your signal strength using the T-Mobile app, aiming for -70 dB or better for optimal performance. Next, reboot your 5G gateway to resolve many temporary glitches. Ensure your gateway has the latest firmware by checking in the T-Mobile app. Placement matters. Position your gateway near a window and away from electronics like microwaves that can cause interference. For more stability, try connecting devices via Ethernet cable for a wired connection. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your issues, start with advanced fixes by checking for known T-Mobile outages in your area through their website or app. Next, use a speed test tool like Speed Test by Ookla to measure your actual internet speeds. If you're consistently getting below the advertised 245 megabits/s, averaging 50 to 200 megabits/s instead, contact T-Mobile support as they may be throttling your bandwidth. If drops persist, install external antennas to boost your 5G signal strength. This is particularly effective in rural areas where coverage may be weaker. For ongoing issues, it could be a fault with your gateway hardware. Reach out to T-Mobile support to request a replacement device. T-Mobile is expanding with satellite broadband partnerships for better rural coverage. Looking ahead, 6G integration will deliver much lower latency and faster speeds.